Hello and welcome. So a little bit of relationship trouble. Well, we'll fix that. I have felt the pain that ending a relationship can bring. In my early 20s I went through it. I was devastated. Unable to feel the joy in anything. Over a year into this depression my friends were beginning to abandon me. I had to do something. And do it quick. This being a time before the internet. And some serious information was hard to come by. I finally found out enough to formulate a system that worked quite well. I learned the basics of the human brain. The right and left side of the brain. The analytical and the reactive mind. This is enough to get me started. The reactive mind, the portion of the brain that reasons like a 4-year-old. And possesses all the emotions. This is the source of our problems. When you see someone going into a violent rage, or a heavily emotional time, it is this part of the brain that does it. No doubt. You have been told about the importance of communication. Not in this system. As a matter of fact. Leave your spouse out of it. I assume your attempts at communication have ended up in arguments. And these arguments condition the brain. Soon the reactive mind becomes defensive. Every time you guys see each other, both of you subconsciously are ready to pick up where you left off. So the slightest thing will set you off. It is necessary for you to break this cycle. You must change your regular pattern. No matter how much it hurts you to smile. You need to do a lot of it. If you want to slide your relationship back to the happy one you remember, you will need to become a little bit despondent. Very polite, easygoing, and happy, but not argumentative. The only thing that you bring up would be good memories. Happy times. Nothing else for a few days, and if you can pull this off, you're on your way. You'll need to keep maintenance on your relationship. I did some research while making this video. And what I found completely shocked me. It's a complete package outlining the same system I've been using for many years. This package is so well done and so complete that I was gonna back out of making this video. A neighbor I was talking to said I should do an affiliate thing with it. I couldn't be any more confident about the product, so I said that I'd try. So if you're seeing this video, I guess that means I finally figured it out. I don't know how this package came about, it really shocks me that it's so similar. But I certainly do endorse this product. I still have to connect this product to this video. I have never made anything from it. And maybe never will. But I will still tell you it works. And I've seen it firsthand. Link down below.